So how do we use the Revolve tool? That's what we're going to be looking at today. And we're going to make a spinner or a spinning top that can be 3D printed using OnShape. So like normal, red and blue. So red for left, blue for right. And we're going to get straight into this. We're going to try and do this in under 3 minutes. Is that possible? We'll see. So I'm going to click on Sketch and click on the front plane. So Sketch is up there. You can see it. It's asking us what plane we want to select, and I'm going to select the front plane and then press that N key. And I'm going to start drawing straight up from the center here. So I'm just going to go straight up and I'm going to draw basically half an arrow. And the black lines are obviously defined, the blues aren't, so we can go and resize them. And this is half the size we want it to be. So if I want the base there to be 10 millimeters, I'm going to draw it in at 5. And we do this one then at 8. I'm going to set our height there to 15. And our angle can be 55. So that is our profile. We've got half an arrow. And the way the Revolve works, so I'll just go back into that. Sorry, I do apologise. We press the green tick to complete it, and we've got our half arrow pointing down there. When we press Revolve, and I've got a minute left, you click the axis. So we click the face, which is sketch 1, and then we do the Revolve axis, which for me is going to be this long full one. So we click that line and it revolves around here. Now, you can do different revolves, so you can type in if you want to do half of it. We just untick the full revolve box there, so we've got 180, but we're going to leave this as a full revolve. And that would complete our spinner. All I do now is right click, export, and click my preferred file type. So step is what I tend to use, but you could do STL if you wish to. So it's all on there, and you just press export, and that will go up to your documents and into your downloads. And that's it, 3 minutes. However, 1 minute, we'll make this 4 minutes. What happens when it goes wrong? So the most common points of where we've gone wrong is actually to do with the Revolve axis. So I've just taken this back, I'm in Revolve, I've got my profile, so the first thing I do is click sketch 1. And if we click Revolve axis, students will click on the wrong part. So if we click up there, it revolves a completely different shape, and you can click on all these points and it will revolve differently based on them. Some of them won't work. So obviously that one, because it's intersecting, but down here will. And we get an angled shape. So that is one of the biggest mistakes I think you'll see, is just people clicking on the wrong surface or selecting the wrong plane to start with. Thanks for watching. I've been the Onteacher.